Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader. I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, brothers, sisters, now let's start our trading session for today. Let's set the candles. By the way, I'm trading on the best platform for the binary options market. This is Pocket Option. Now I'm setting the indicators. The first one is 2 moving averages. Second one is Keltner channel, which I'm setting right now. Okay, safe. So now we are ready to start trading. Just a moment, let me, I forgot. Set the moving average. Well, it's done. Let's change the second one. So it's done, and we also have the vortex oscillator, by the way. Well, so now let me draw the trend lines for you, the channel. So here you can clearly see that we are now hitting the upper edge of the downgoing channel, which is near the middle line of the Keltner channel also. That's why, of course, I am opening sell position here and wasting our $15 here. So everything is quite clear and understandable. So the first trade is opened. It's really nice. It's very easy. Nothing difficult. Nothing serious. So just a very strong place. Combination of the trend line together with Keltner channel middle line together with the resistance line zone. So everything is evident. All we need right now is just to open the sell position, and we did it. Now let's just wait. That's it. 100% sure trade. Well, the first trade is profitable one. We have around $28 on the account. Now let's continue. Now let's change our investment to $28. Now open sell position here. And why did we do this? Because you can clearly see that we're moving in the downgoing direction right now. We have broken through the upper edge of the Keltner channel. After this, we understood that this was a false breakout. Price went back to the Keltner channel. Now we are moving towards the middle line of the Keltner channel, which significates for us that we have now space still for the drop, and we are moving in the downgoing direction. So that's why all we need just to follow those downgoing movements and open sell position and continuation of this drop. So that's it. And as you can see, price is dropping now towards this middle line. We have invested $28 in this trade. Everything is nice. Everything is nice and clear. Moreover, according to the vortex, we're also in the sell zone. Well, so we have around $54 now on the account. This is nice. Okay. So here we have open sell position. Why did we do this? Because first of all, we're in the sell zone according to moving averages. We are below 2 moving averages. We are below the middle line of the Keltner channel, and we still didn't touch the bottom line of the Keltner channel, which must be done. What must be done anyway. So that's it. All indicators are telling us about the sell zone. According to the vortex, we're in the flat channel, nothing interesting, but indicators are telling us the exact thing. We should go down. So that's why we have opened here a sell position expecting this drop. And just look, I was right as always. A huge drop right now. Big investment was made by someone and price dropped immediately. So that's it. Big players are thinking exactly like me. We should go down because I'm a big player. Okay, so we have around $100 on the account. This is nice. Let's continue. Okay, now let's check Euro rope chart. What can we find interesting here? We're moving right now in the downgoing direction with several upgoing corrections. Now we are trying to break through the 2 moving averages and the Keltner channel middle line. I have already changed my investment. Yep, I am quite sure that we will drop right now. That's why I have opened sell position. Let me draw for you the downgoing channels that I have already named you. You can clearly see that we tried to hit the upper edge of it, but we didn't do this. We were quite near it, but we did not hit it. Anyway, we started receiving pullback reactions. That's why I opened sell position, wasting our $104. We didn't have enough time to think. We just needed to do or not. We did. So that's why we have $100 investment, and price is going. Stop! Don't do this. Don't do this. Good boy. Fine. Drop. Just drop. Don't do this, please. Stop doing this. Don't play with me. Okay, nice. We have around $200 on the account. This is good. Now I will continue. But before this, don't forget to check the description to this video. Find amazing, cool, and splendid link for my private TG, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, best analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional trader and get whatever you want from trading. So, moreover, if you write me a private message on the TG telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be a millionaire together with me. Link is in the description. Okay. Now we are trying to break through the counter channel middle line. I have changed my investment. We have almost, no, let's open buy position. Yes, I understand that we have almost broken through it, but I don't think that we will do this. I'm sure that this is just a false breakout, and after this price will get back above the middle line of the counter channel. I'm quite sure about this. One more profitable trade. We have around $323. According to this situation, you can clearly see that price did not break through the upper edge of the counter channel. We started receiving the pullback reaction. Price tried to break through the middle line of the counter channel, but we also failed to do this because the previous candle was a bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle. And that's why when we have the bullish consumption, this is a very strong signal for us to open the buy position and continuation of the current growth. And we have already done this. We have opened buy position, investing our $323 in this trade. I'm sure that we will get profit from it. I'm sure in this. Okay guys, one more profitable trade, and we have now around $572. Nice results, to be honest. I think we have time for the last trade for today. Well, let's check out the NZD. Here you can clearly see that we have touched the bottom line of the counter channel. Now we're hitting the middle line of it, and we are trying to break through it. To be honest, the situation looks like a good growth. And yep, and that's it. You can clearly see that at first we have broken through the middle line. After this we made the retest of this middle line, and after this we failed to break through it and got back to and get back below it. So that's why we started growing, and yes, we are growing very nice towards the upper edge of the counter channel. Our entry point is really good. Oh, what a nice growth we have right now. I like to see this. Okay, one more profitable trade, and we have around $1,075 on the account. It's a very nice result, brothers. So, if you want to get the same kind of results as me and get your cash daily, all you need right now is just to open the description to this video, subscribe to my private TG, and get what is yours. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Mwah!